Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mario here. Today guys, I have some exciting equipment that I got to get reviewed. So first of all, I would like to say this is going to be my own opinion. I'm not getting paid for telling certain words. So that is going to be based on my experience only. So this is a product from Loop Gear, and this is a flashlight which I can actually use on what I do on this channel, because as you know, I go to abandoned locations and sometimes probably the light conditions, they are not the best. So the company reached out to me if I was interested to actually review their products, which I accepted. That's the reason why I have the product here in my hands. So this is a really compact box, and I'm now going to do the unboxing, and after I will do some tests using this new flashlight. So I'm doing the first test with the flashlight. So it's pitch black on my living room at the moment. I have in front of the camera that you can't see it yet the flashlight. I'm just going to turn on, and when I turn on you can see that blue. I'm just going to put it on again. This blue here, it's the remaining battery. And now I'm going to use the normal flashlight. So basically this is the normal flashlight, and if I double push on this button here, where is the wheel, is going to be the brightest. As you can see, this is amazing, really good. Even I'm just pointing to the ceiling and you can see how bright basically that gets. So if I do again the double press, it goes to the normal flashlight. So now I'm just going to put the brightest. Here has the other modes. So if I will turn to this, it gives you this effect. And if I double press, it makes it less light, less bright. Double tap like that and like that. But another thing, if I'm going back again to the other mode, okay, so that is the brightest. But if I do 3 times, if I tap 3 times, is going to be emergency lighting. So 1, 2, you see, it's kind of emergency lighting. It's really cool. So I'm just back again. The other mode is this one. So basically this somehow, it's kind of food, I would say that is like having a lamp, but it's, if I double press, it changes the colors, because now it's red. So now it's kind of flashing. It's kind of dimming and just getting stronger. Double tap again. So this one is blue. The thing is, like, because of like the lenses, you might not see the color, the real color, but it is now yellow. If I double press, this one is green, but from the screen it looks like it's blue. And here this is kind of greenish, bluish, so basically it's kind of swapping for all the different colors. And if I do 3 times, so basically this it looks like is the police. So that is the yellow, the blue and the red, which is quite cool. You know, in kind of an emergency that you might be driving a car and you might be you might have a breakdown and you might need to use that so that you will get the attention for those that will be driving on the road. So let me just go back, and basically this is the modes. So I'm just going, this is the battery level, as I mentioned, and yeah. But the thing is, I definitely want to try when I'm exploring like a location, but definitely when looking all around. As you can see, on my living room is completely light up. Plenty of light, honestly, really, really bright, really good, really good. Wow, guys, honestly, I'm really impressed with this flashlight. I was not actually expecting how powerful is this flashlight. You know, after turning my living room in like pitch black, as you could see, was completely pitch black. And how powerful is this small thing? You know, I'm just now going to show you even closer. So it looks like compact and sturdy. All what you see is metal, So it's definitely quality. You feel the quality in the hands. So here is the wheel, all the modes that I was showing you. On the bottom here has some magnet, so it means that even if you are like in an abandoned location like me or whatever the occasion, that you don't want to carry the flashlight in your hands because you are filming something, as I do on this channel, for example, you can always just leave it in a really like a flat base, so it will stand without any issues. Or if there's anything around that has some metal, you can just attach and it will stay over there, which is great. My thoughts about this flashlight, I have to say that I'm going to use mostly the normal mode, like in the brightest mode, especially when filming. It means that it will be all spreaded out, the light when filming in. And if you see one of the videos that I was doing on this channel, that is the Heartwood Hospital, is this one over here. You can just have a look here or here, just you can, it's one of the corners. I was using on the ground floor, a flashlight, which the flashlight basically gives you the ring, like the field of view, it gives you like the ring, and somehow I kind of needed to follow a while when I was filming. Gives you some suspense because you can't expect what might be around on the area, but can give you as well the same mode like the one you can see on this video. But a good thing is that the first mode, it will completely spreads out all the light, which I really like, especially when filming. I kind of want to see everything what is in front of me with all clarity. So I think so that is the mode that I'm going to use the most. All the other modes I would say I might use, especially if there's any emergency, as I said, but you know, each case is a case. So for you it might work in a different situation, or you might use all of them because you need. A good thing as well is that this is waterproof. I have to say this is going to be my companion when traveling, exploring, and like in a dark situations. It is definitely going to be really handy, and is really easy to carry in the pocket. And that's the good thing. It's not something that is quite huge, that it might not be, you know, so great to keep it in a pocket, which this one actually, that's not the case. This one is definitely going to be okay to keep it on the pocket. Anyway guys, I will leave the link on the description below where you can actually get this fantastic flashlight, so powerful. If you have any comments, please leave any comments below, any questions, I will be more than happy to answer them. And if you enjoyed this video guys, please thumbs up. And if you still don't follow me here and you would like, you can always push the red button just below, and you see if you push the bell, you will always get notified when I upload these kind of videos, or even when I'm doing that is what I do on this channel. Exploring locations, abandoned locations, some vlogs, some traveling, and yeah, so get to know me better on those videos and what I do the most. Guys, thank you so much, and see you all in the next one. Peace out.